In this guide, I will show you how to watch Fox 1 live on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website, then search for Fox 1 in the search bar. Once you open the channel, check whether there are any upcoming live streams, match schedules, or event listings available on the channel page. When a live event begins, simply open the stream and start watching directly from the channel. Availability may vary depending on your region and the broadcasting rights for the event you want to watch. If the channel offers membership-only content, you may need to purchase the required membership or subscription before you can access certain live streams. Check the channel's membership section for current pricing, benefits, and any trial offers that may be available. Before relying on a specific channel for FIFA World Cup coverage, make sure to verify that the channel has the rights to stream the matches in your region, as broadcasting availability can change and may be restricted by location. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.